headlights cutting through the morning mist, and a rack that's built for the ultimate twist, sharp, clean, and tough as nails. Hey everyone, this is G from Plomor here. Today, we are looking at our roof rack for the LC250. It's not just about the space for your gear, it's about making that heavy-duty look loud and clear. Let's check out this animation to see how it all locks into position. Installation is simple and keeps your truck's structure true. It uses the factory hose, so there's no drilling for you. Just make sure those 6 brackets are lined up right, and the rest will be smooth, easy, and tight. Now, let's talk about wind noise, because we know that is a concern for the boys. Let's feel it together. At 37 miles, you will hear a little hum. That's just the mechanical shape doing this thing, not a problem for anyone. Honestly, it's not harsh at all. Even at 15 miles per hour, the sound is there, but you can still talk without a care. Material-wise, we went with high-strength aluminum, strong and light, to keep your ride feeling right. The surface has its deep, matte black finish. Unlike shiny metal, this low-key look makes the whole truck feel solid and sleek, while standing up to any weather week after week. Plus, we've integrated LED lights right into the front. Perfect for the trail and exactly what your LC250 wants. This rack adds 7.4 centimeters in height, making it a versatile fit what's just right. Whether you are hitting a trail for a weekend camp or just cruising through the city wrap, it gives you a solid platform without getting in the way. It's that mix of utility and style that makes your LC250 stand out every day. Check out more LC250 gear at plomor.com, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. New users get 10% off, links in the description. We ship worldwide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.